Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a review video for a website called tmart.com. I reviewed two clutch purses for them last month as well, and I have shared the video link for that review video in the description box below. So basically I loved the stuff so much the last time. It was so brilliant that I decided to kind of do another review video for them again this month. And once again, as you can see, these are clutch purses. So I'll be starting with the black one first. This is a very simple black clutch purse, as you can see. It's got a satin fabric, and as you can see, this design over here, it's actually of leather. Kind of feels more like plastic actually, like artificial leather sort of a thing. And it goes all the way around the purse and tucks into the back. So this is what it looks like from the outside, and it's got chains attached to it. So you got a small chain like this one, and you also got a longer chain like this one. So you can use whichever chain you want, and you can tuck the other one inside the purse, or you can also tuck both the chains inside the purse and just hold it around like a clutch purse. So I really like that the locking system is absolutely amazing. You can just snap it shut like this very easily, and inside the purse is also very spacious. I've kind of put a lot of things inside this purse just to show it to you guys. So as you can see, there's compact, there's my cell phone, there's a comb, there's an eyeliner, there's a pepper spray, and there's a handkerchief, there's a lipstick, and that's it. So you can see I could put in all of these things inside this little purse, and it doesn't look bulky like some purses. They just look so bulky, like a sack full of potatoes kind of a thing. But this is looking absolutely fine, even with all the stuff inside. It just looked like a regular clutch purse. So you can get this for $8.86 right now, and I think it's quite a steal, a very cheap price for something like this. And I've shared the link in the description box below to have a look. The next clutch purse is this really pretty evening bag once again. It's sapphire blue in color, and it's got these amazing diamond printed lines along it, and I really think the quality is amazing. Like even for the last one, the quality was amazing. The stitching and everything just perfect. Even with this one, the quality, the stitching and everything is perfect. It's by the way quite plain on the black back, but it looks absolutely fine that way too. And it's got these patterns over here. So basically this purse has a very rich look to it. You can get this for $13.88 right now, and once again, it's got two types of chains. You can use just one of these chains, like the short one or the long one, or you can put them both back inside the purse. So as you can see, the purse inside, once again, it's very spacious, a little pocket inside. So I'll just show you what this purse can actually carry, like, because it looks really small and not very handy, but it's actually quite handy. As you can see, I'll just put in all the stuff that I want to put in my purse. So as you can see, I just put in everything that was put in that purse in this purse as well. And it's quite a lot of things actually, if you actually count it. Like when you go out in the evening, this pretty much all that you really need to carry, and all that women usually carry when they go out. And you can snap it shut like this. Again, very nice snap and shut mechanism, and that's it. This is what your purse looks like. So it's again very handy, very convenient to use, and I totally love it. Also, by the way, on a slightly different note, I thought I'll just talk about this little money clip that I ordered from this website. You can get this for $1.88. Its initial price was something around, I think, $3.55 or $56 or something like that. So this is what the money clip looks like, and you can actually put in money inside this clip. You can actually put in bills inside this clip, and as you can see, it's really tight. So the only way you can actually use it is by tucking things inside this clip, and it won't fall off. So I just thought I'll talk about this since I'm talking about purses, and it's a good way to organize your stuff if you just take a purse and if you want to put this thing in your purse. So well, that's all for now. I hope you like the products shown in this video. I have shared the links for both of these products in the description box below. And if you have any questions, if you want to know anything more, you can always write to me in the comment box, and I'll be more than glad to help you out. So thanks all for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Don't forget to rate and subscribe to this channel for more.